In the final moment, our minds replay the essence of our lives. 7 minutes of the most cherished memories. Here's mine. Each memory, a vignette, a story, carefully woven together to form the tapestry of our existence. The laughter of childhood, the warmth of family, the thrill of everyday life. These are the moments that define us. In the innocence of childhood, every moment is a world of wonder, where joy is found in the simplest of things. And love. Love is a thread that binds our lives, weaving together moments of profound connection and tenderness. Triumphs are the milestones of our journey, each one a testament to our perseverance and dreams fulfilled. In the everyday moments, we find beauty and peace, savoring the simple pleasures that fill our lives with meaning. A walk on the beach, or simply a quiet morning at home. And kindness. Kindness is the light that brightens our world, a reflection of our compassion and generosity, of who we are as people. In our moments of reflection, we see the threads of our lives come together, each memory a piece of our story. In the quiet of a morning, in the embrace of loved ones, in the adventures we embark upon, we find ourselves. And as the seconds tick away, we hold on to the beauty, the joy, the love that makes us whole, that makes us human. And as our journey ends, we carry with us the beauty of these moments, forever etched in the very fabrics of our existence. And as the final moments fade, we leave with a heart full of memories, our legacy of love and life. The best 7 minutes, a lifetime in a heartbeat.